Welcome to V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation. Thank you so much for completing 3000 subscribers on our channel. We are happy to have 3000 members in our family. If you want to learn how to use computer and Android using screen reader, subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon and select all notifications to receive updates. If you have any queries, feel free to ask into the comment section. You can support us by donating using thanks or join us as a member. Click on the join button to learn more. Follow our social media handles like Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and X to receive regular updates and tech-related articles. Happy learning! Hey guys, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy. This is your host Ratul for today's video. In this video, we are going to discuss about a solution. Suppose the power button of my smartphone is not working. I'm currently facing the same issue. Yes, I can't use my power button to screen off. Even I can't press the power button to do any other actions, whatever I can do with the power button. I can't restart my phone. I can't switch to like any other things like reboot, silent, etc. etc. Except restarting your phone, except restarting my phone, I can do all other stuff in various ways. For example, if I want to turn off my screen, what I can do? I can open the quick settings and there I find the lock. Just double tap on lock and my screen will be turned off. As well as I can find airplane mode or any other options if I want. But I need it more fast. Is there any alternative solutions? Yes friends. Today we are going to talk about gesture shortcuts. And these shortcuts are available for almost all Android applications, even if you're using Android 10. I'm using Android 10 Redmi Note 7 Pro and I'm recording this video from this device. So in this video, we're going to talk about how you can use this gesture shortcut to create some specific shortcut for your help. And this is especially helpful if your power button is not working in that situation. So without further delay, like the video and watch the video till the end. So first of all, you need to open your settings. I have already opened. Next, if you're using Redmi phone, go to additional settings, then find the accessibility. Or if you're using any other phone, you need to find the accessibility. You can also search accessibility in settings. So let me find it. Okay friends, I'm here like additional settings. So here, I don't need to go to the accessibility features or accessibility settings. But in some smartphones, you need to go to the accessibility settings. Then you will find gesture shortcuts. So if you want, you can search gesture shortcuts, GESTURE shortcuts on your settings and you may get this option. So go to gesture shortcuts.
Gesture shortcuts.
Now just swipe till the last option.
Launch, turn, knee, button shortcuts.
Okay, button shortcuts. So you just need to click on button shortcuts.
Button and gesture shortcuts.
Here you will get more options in the sense of some other features. See.
Button shortcuts.
Button shortcuts.
Long press the home button. Launch Google Assistant. 1 of 7. In
okay,
list,
long
7
press the
items.
home button. If you long press the home button, in my case, if I long press the home button, my Google Assistant will be activated. It is by default. But if you want, you can change it. For example, if you want, you can set it as a screenshot, as a launching camera, opening flash, etc. etc. Okay, I'm just swiping from left to right again.
Long press the menu button. Turn on torch. 2 of 7.
So long press the menu button. Menu button means recent button or you can say overview button. Okay, this is the menu button. So just I'm going to show you what are the other options available here. Just double tapping here and see you can change it.
Take launch camera.
Launch
1
camera.
Of 9. Take a screenshot.
Take
2
a
of
screenshot.
9.
So if you want, you can set up.
Launch Google Assistant.
Launch Google Assistant.
Close current app.
Close current app.
Turn on torch. 5 of
Turn
9.
on torch.
Show menu.
Show
6
menu.
of 9.
Okay. So these are some other options. See.
Open split screen.
Open
7
split
of
screen.
Turn off screen. 8 of 9.
Turn off screen is also there.
None. 9.
So see,
Long press the home button. Long press the back button. Turn off screen. 3 of 7.
so long press the back button will be turning off my screen. Yes, and it works. So this helps me especially when I am on the road and when I am outside my home. It is very helpful. Though I need to go to service center to replace or repair these things, but still till that time you can use this as your alternative solution. Okay guys, and not only this, some other options also there, some other features there. See,
Power plus home.
power plus
None.
home,
Power plus menu.
power plus
None.
menu,
Power plus back. None. 6
and
of
power
7.
plus back. So these features, these buttons are not assigned yet, and I'm not going to assign right now as my power button is not working. But if you want, you can assign different activities, different actions on these buttons, so you can use your smartphone in more smarter way. So this is what I want to share with you today. I hope you like this video. If you find this content useful, like this video and share this video with your friends and with the community. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.